Pasta, 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 pasta. It's one of my favorite things. It's there when you're happy, it's there when you're sad, and it's there when you're broke. Today we're gonna make a seafood pasta my way. My name is Fritz and welcome to my kitchen. So we're gonna start with our clams, Cherry Stone Clams. If you don't have clams with mussels, if you don't have mussels, you can use any seafood you want. So I have some clams here. We're gonna start with that because it's the longest to do. We're gonna put them straight in the pan. And you wanna heat up the pan with the clams, or else your clams, they can explode, they can pop. Put your oil. Well, if everyone can see, we have some squid pasta. You can make it. I bought it. It has a little salty taste to it, but we're still gonna do everything properly. But I like this pasta. So while the clams are going, slowly, we're gonna dice the shallots. It doesn't need to be a little chop. It's more than enough. Back in the days, when I used to work in the restaurant, I used to make this for a good friend of mine. We used to work together, and she would eat that pasta almost every day. I would be like, can you eat something else? You know, she loved it. I loved making it for her. We used to have so much fun. And this is a little shout out to her. You know who you are. See how it's popping a little? That's fine. That's okay. Just be careful. Don't burn yourself. Take your time. We're gonna add our shallots. C'est quoi le nom de ça déjà? Dorian! Demande à ma blonde Alexa. Je sais pas comment décrire Alexa. We're gonna chop up some chili. This is optional. If you don't want to put chili, don't put, but I like to put chili in my seafood pasta. Gives it a little zhuzh, a little je ne sais quoi. Beautiful. You want to go quick because your onions are browning. You want it brown. Garlic scams, fleur in French. Instead of garlic, I like to use this because it's a little bit more mild than garlic, and it just adds, you know, that little slight garlic flavor that I love. At this point, we have some cherry tomatoes. We can finish chopping them up. Likewise, put it in there. Your cherry tomatoes. When I put these down, they're gonna be the base of your sauce. What's that? So good. If you can smell it, I'll smell of it in the next anymore, but if you could, you would be salivating. I'm already salivating, oh my god. We're gonna pre-cook the shrimp, and once they're pre-cooked, we're gonna take them out because we don't want to overcook the seafood. So now while this is going, we can add the pasta in the water. This is gonna be good for like 2-4 people. Little twist. Alright. So, amazing. Don't forget to salt your water. This should boil for like maybe 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes with this. I thought c'est bon. C'est bon, hein? So imagine-toi comment ça va être bon. Ça va être délicieux, ça va être fantastique. This is a pasta you literally would serve them at the restaurant for clients. So at this point, the shrimps are halfway cooked. So I'm going to take them out. People are usually intimidated a little bit by cooking that type of pasta, but really, take your time. If you want to put it at low heat and take your time to cook it, it's fine. Perfect. Now, this step, we want some white wine. Beautiful. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Look. A little bit more. Get this reduced nicely. If you want, you can come with your spoon and kind of crush the tomatoes. Very nice. Little anecdote. Clams, they have seawater inside. It's salty. So that type of pasta, besides in the pasta water, I don't add more salt in there. It's gonna be naturally salty enough. I almost forgot. I'm also gonna add capers. Just a little bit. Just a little. Now that it's nicely reduced, I like to add a little bit of chicken stock to give it more flavor, more depth of flavor. if you don't have time to do your chicken stock at home, buy a nice quality of stock. I usually buy organic if I don't have the time to do it. Let this reduce. Let's stir our pasta to make sure it doesn't stick. So while we're waiting for those clams to open, because the rest is pretty much all cooked, and we have some calamari that we're gonna add after. These doesn't take long to cook, so we're gonna take out the pasta. We want it al dente, just undercooked, because it's gonna cook more in the sauce. Once you're done with those pastas, add some olive oil in there so they don't stick together. This one is starting to open slowly. You can see that. I think we can put a cover on top if it's taking too long. That'll help steam everything in. Perfect. Now that the clams are open, we can add the calamari. Like I said, they cook really fast. And I also like to add, it's like cheating a little bit, but it's not. Just a little bit of tomato sauce. If you have any homemade tomato sauce or sauce brand that you like and trust, there you go. And we're gonna add our pasta in the sauce. Look, oh my gosh. Wow. This looks so good right now. It's a messy, good pasta. This is probably the second love of my life. Without some of our fresh herbs, little parsley. I don't know if it's traditional or not, but I like to add a little touch of mint there too. Cherry tomatoes. That's what I said. It's a messy pasta. I have a little bit everywhere, but that's okay. We're cooking. We're having fun. We're creating something. Now this is ready. So good. Let's do a little cleanup, and then we're gonna plate that. That's right. Now the pasta is finally ready. Let's plate this. Look at that creaminess. Pretty. Look at this. Look at this. What more can you ask for? This is what life is about. This is what makes me happy. Finish it up with a little sleep. Cool, we're done. So now let's tray it out. Let's take a little bit of pasta. Forms up. Beautiful shrimp. You know, this is a plate to share. Quelqu'un se pas volontiers, une bouchée sur vos chaînes à la six time devant la caméra. Comment on appelle ce cartoon avec les deux chiens qui partageaient un plat de pâtes?
La Belle et le Clochard?
Why? The lady and the shrimp and the what shrimp? And the lady and the shrimp. Yes, the lady and the shrimp. Perfectly al dente, perfectly saucy, not too much, not too little. Pasta done right. I love it. And my question to you is, are you hungry now?